Assalamu alaikum. As you know, I'm your host Sahar Hussain, and I'm going to have interview to those person who is patriotic and well-mannered person. So, Mr. Tahir, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, so shall I start?
Yes, why not?
So my first question is from you. Why is life of Karachi city unbelievably complicated?
Miss, you know very well, sir, the complicated depend on us. How can you make your life complicated, sir?
How can you say that?
Yeah, unfortunately, nowadays the situation for Karachi was not good so far, sir.
Yes.
So that's why, sir, the people feel insecurity. So that's why, sir, their life is making so complicated, sir.
Yes. My second question is how is earning lots of money is Karachi incredibly hard?
The same reasons when the law and order situation is not good, so the economical graph is going to be automatically down. So because it's not be impossible for me and you. So if there is lots of killings day by day increasing highly, so no people comes
Mr. Tahir, how can we remove tolerance in our society?
Yeah, but we should make a setup in which people live brotherhoods peacefully,
Yes.
And we should forget and neglect the mistakes of other people. Then we can make our life easily.
Yeah, already. Okay, my third question is why don't people of Karachi have moral support for others?
I think, in my point of view, people of Karachi now day by day are so selfish and greedy.
How can you say that they are
because they give the preference of their own values and not others people's, which is not nowadays it's a common in our society.
Yes.
So we should be ignore these things.
Yes, we should. Okay, my fourth question is what have you always wanted to see in Karachi?
The most important thing is patriotism. Patriotism is the key factors of every society, because patriotism
And in my point of view, you are.
Yeah, thank you so much. But patriotism I have seen in each and every one. Patriotism makes the nation more strength. So we should hold the patriotism more strongly.
Yeah, we should. Okay, my next question from you. When will we happily sit back and see no killing in Karachi city?
I have repeat my answers once again to you, Miss Sahas. When a life is going to be very easy, when you live brotherhoods, peaceful, and respect to each other, and give the preference the values of other people. Unfortunately, these things nowadays is not common in our society.
Okay, my next question. When were you last hopeless?
One of my very dearest friends, one day he needs some help from my side, but unfortunately I didn't help him, so at that time I was so hopeless, but I tried my level best.
Okay, so how did you overcome your hopelessness?
But I tried to my level best to handle these situations, but unfortunately I didn't.
Okay, my next question. How should people of Karachi cope with the problem of this city?
All the things depends on you, so how you behave to someone. So when you give respect to someone, automatically other people will respect you. When you forget and neglect the mistake of other people, automatically other people also forget and neglect your mistakes.
Yes. Okay, my next question from you. What do you think of those people who do their things very properly?
We should encourage those people. I really appreciate those people who working very hard, honestly and politely. We should encourage these people, because these people are the key assets of our society. But unfortunately nowadays we have missed these people.
Yeah. Okay, what bother you a lot in this atmosphere of Karachi?
Traffic jams. Nowadays this problem is common in our society. So I always bother when I stuck in traffic jams. So we should follow the rules of traffic jams. It's our responsibility.
Why do you think like this?
Because it's our responsibilities. We should follow the rules of traffic.
Follow the rules. Okay. My last question from you. Why are Americans and British societies so lucky in living standards?
The main difference between our society and your society is that they always follows the rules. They have a very strong rules and regulations. They have a very strong educational environment, and they are always justice with each and others in common. So no one superior than law. But unfortunately, these things are missed in our society. But hopefully, inshallah, our society will be growing up.
Inshallah, inshallah. Okay, thank you, Mr. Tahir.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you again.
Yeah, inshallah, bye.
Okay. Have you listened from the mayor of Karachi? The situation of city is not like that. But as we know, have been listening from various TV channels, but we should find your happiness to others. Always be happy. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.